wondering how we sitting at these courtside seats? This is how. All glory belongs to God. Philippians 4:13. Of course I'm riding. This is about the time Thursday turns into Friday, and I'm deciding. Who cares if they really don't think I'm exciting? SC top 10 NBA. Now I gotta make a eat like type of play. It's the final hit of the class, we ain't tryna lay. I don't wanna be boastful and brag cause mine's all in the Lord. Ay, but I'm on this ship. You know they say Vambayas all aboard. Cause yeah, you can see now we up in the boardroom, also known as the war room. We making decisions, not the one you in with your friends watching cartoons. But you can see that it's ILLBOYRECORDs, and they know they can try, but Lord willing, I'ma drop as soon as it's done, and the numbers gon' read 12112. Are we done? No, do not get me wrong. What they offered did not get me on. Just know, heart and hearts do not beat. The place with ghost streets is what we call home. And now you ain't gon' hear me talk about I'm running with the chrome. 1, 2, each his own. They say he's a dog that's off the lease, homeowner, but still, they want me off the lease. I ain't tripping, cause Jesus wanna bring the peace. Yeah, they pierced him on the cross. You can check out his hands and feet. They don't want me talking about that. They want me talking around like a back. But he's coming, better back. And all this stuff that you talking gotta bag that. Oh no, I know you ain't here cause you trying to get to where the bag at. So many diamond juries, where your bag at? Nah, you say you got a cop, but I can see the spot where you had your badge at. That's your own business, and my personal decision is Jesus Christ. He the one that changed my life. He did for you too. But it's up to you to seek the information I'm spreading to you. But they want me to do your A. But Jesus the one that can raise me from that. They wanna leave me all alone, but the song just must play on. Gotta call you when I'm weak and then I'm strong. You know that I don't even know why I be tripping, cause any moment you could call me home. They wanna leave me all alone, but the song just must play on. Gotta call you when I'm weak and then I'm strong. You know that I don't even know why I be tripping, cause any moment you could call me home. We up in the boardroom, other known as the war room. Making decisions, not the place where you at with your friends and your TV watching some cartoons. We wanna get a lower room, see?
Give me an email, I'll do it.
Hey, that I need to wake up, cause I'm dreaming.